For decades, Thailand was known as the Detroit of Asia, a title it earned by becoming the region's undisputed leader in car manufacturing. Its sprawling factories, cutting-edge assembly lines, and skilled workforce set the gold standard for automotive production across Southeast Asia. Thailand's dominance inspired its neighbors, shaping the region's automotive landscape for generations. Indonesia soon followed in Thailand's footsteps, leveraging its vast domestic market and abundant resources to attract major global car makers. The country's growing middle class fueled demand, and its factories churned out vehicles for both local and international markets. Meanwhile, the Philippines was often seen as a minor player, its role limited to assembling imported kits, with little influence on the broader industry. For years, it lagged behind, overshadowed by its more established neighbors. But as 2025 draws to a close, the Philippines has completely rewritten the script. Today, it stands as Southeast Asia's fastest-growing car manufacturing hub, outpacing even the most optimistic forecasts. This remarkable transformation is the result of years of forward-thinking policies, aggressive foreign investment, and the emergence of a highly skilled, adaptable workforce. The government's focus on infrastructure, education, and incentives for manufacturers has paid off. While neighboring countries struggle to adapt to global shifts, like the rise of electric vehicles and supply chain disruptions, the Philippines quietly built a world-class automotive sector, embracing innovation and efficiency. Today, global car brands are not just investing in the Philippines, they're prioritizing it over traditional giants like Thailand and Indonesia. International executives now see the country as a strategic hub for both production and export. It's a stunning turnaround. Just a decade ago, Philippine car production was a fraction of what it is now, with outdated facilities and limited output. Now, state-of-the-art factories produce hundreds of thousands of vehicles each year, serving both the booming local market and export destinations across the globe. The country's ports are busier than ever, shipping out vehicles to new markets. This manufacturing boom has created tens of thousands of high-quality jobs, offering new opportunities for Filipino workers and reshaping the nation's economy. Entire communities have been revitalized by the growth of the automotive sector, but this is more than just an economic trend. It's a story of national pride, resilience, and determination. The Philippines has shown the world what's possible with vision and hard work. Against all odds, the Philippines has proven it can not only compete with, but even surpass, the region's automotive giants. Its factories now operate at full capacity, setting new benchmarks for quality and efficiency. In this video, we'll take you inside the policies, technologies, and people driving this incredible turnaround. From government reforms to cutting-edge robotics, discover the secrets behind the Philippines' rise. Join us as we explore how the Philippines became ASEAN's new king of the road. The journey is just beginning. Let's dive in. The Philippine automotive industry's growth has been nothing short of explosive, transforming the nation's economic landscape in just a few short years. Once a modest player in the region, the Philippines has rapidly accelerated its automotive ambitions, with factories now buzzing with activity and innovation. The scale and speed of this transformation have surprised even industry veterans, as the country's car production lines now operate at unprecedented capacity. Back in the late 2010s, production hovered around 100,000 units, dwarfed by regional giants like Thailand and Indonesia, who dominated Southeast Asia's automotive scene. The industry was fragmented, focused mainly on basic assembly rather than full-scale manufacturing, relying heavily on imported parts and lacking a unified vision. But the turning point came in the early 2020s, as the Philippines seized the opportunity to position itself as a stable, attractive alternative for global automakers in the post-pandemic world. By 2025, output soared to over 500,000 vehicles, a staggering five-fold increase in just a few years, propelling the country past its regional competitors and onto the global stage. The focus shifted dramatically from simple assembly to genuine manufacturing, with more and more locally sourced parts being used in every vehicle that rolled off the line. Major investments from automotive giants like Toyota, Mitsubishi, and Chinese EV leaders such as BYD and Geely poured in, fueling this unprecedented surge and bringing advanced technology to Philippine shores. A robust ecosystem of local parts manufacturers quickly emerged, reducing the country's reliance on imports, strengthening supply chains, and creating thousands of new jobs for Filipinos. New industrial parks in Batangas and Pampanga have spread economic benefits nationwide, turning once quiet regions into thriving industrial hubs and supporting local communities. The result is a resilient, export-ready automotive sector, capable of meeting international standards and shipping vehicles to markets around the world. Today, the Philippines stands tall as a true manufacturing powerhouse, with its automotive industry driving growth, innovation, and national pride into the future. The Philippine automotive boom was engineered by government strategy. The CARS program offered performance-based incentives for high-volume local manufacturing. Bureaucracy was streamlined, with green lanes fast-tracking permits and clearances. Massive infrastructure investments connected factories to markets. Specialized training programs ensured a steady supply of skilled workers. Trade agreements eliminated tariffs, boosting exports. Special incentives for electric vehicles positioned the Philippines as a green tech leader. Smart policy turned ambition into reality. Step inside a modern Philippine auto plant, and you'll see the future of manufacturing unfolding before your eyes. Here, tradition and technology come together in a seamless blend, creating an environment where innovation thrives. Bright, spotless facilities are filled with the hum of activity as skilled technicians work side by side with advanced robotics. Every corner of the plant reflects a commitment to precision and progress. Robots take on the heavy lifting and repetitive tasks, ensuring efficiency and safety, while human workers focus on the details that require a careful touch and expert judgment. This partnership between man and machine is the backbone of modern automotive production. The workforce is young, energetic, and highly tech-savvy. Many are recent graduates of specialized training programs designed to meet the demands of a rapidly evolving industry. Their enthusiasm and pride are evident in every task they perform. Quality control here is more than a process. It's a culture. Rigorous inspections at every stage ensure that each vehicle meets the highest standards, while a positive and supportive work environment keeps motivation high and fosters teamwork. In state-of-the-art R&D labs, Filipino engineers collaborate closely with global teams, sharing ideas and expertise to design next-generation automotive components. Their creativity and technical skills are helping to shape the future of mobility. Local innovation is not just encouraged, it's celebrated. Filipino designers and engineers are making their mark, turning the Philippines into a recognized center for automotive engineering and creative design solutions. This is more than just assembly, it's world-class manufacturing where every step is driven by a passion for excellence and a vision for the future. With every car that rolls off the line, the country is not just building vehicles, it's shaping the cars of tomorrow and redefining what's possible in the world of automotive innovation. The Philippines' rise has shaken ASEAN's automotive hierarchy. Thailand's slow EV pivot and Indonesia's inward focus gave the Philippines an opening. The Philippines built for both local and export markets, achieving scale quickly. Its diverse mix of global automakers created a resilient, competitive ecosystem. Strategic incentives, a skilled workforce, and a focus on next-gen vehicles set it apart. Unlike its neighbors, the Philippines offers a complete package: cost, quality, and future readiness. It's now the region's most dynamic automotive hub. The real secret to the Philippines' success is its people and adaptability. High English proficiency enables seamless collaboration with global teams. Filipinos quickly adopt and improve international standards, adding their own ingenuity. Local engineers innovate, like developing durable plastics for tropical climates now used worldwide. A vibrant ecosystem of SMEs supports everything from software to custom accessories. The result, a flexible, innovative industry that's hard to replicate. The Filipino edge is a blend of skill, creativity, and global mindset. This is what keeps the Philippines ahead. As 2025 ends, the Philippines stands as ASEAN's automotive leader. The challenge now is to maintain momentum and avoid complacency. The next frontier is electric mobility, building out battery manufacturing and charging networks. Continued investment in education and R&D will keep the workforce future ready. The partnership between government and industry must deepen to stay ahead. The Philippines has the talent, will, and strategy to be a global manufacturing champion. Moving up the value chain to design and engineering is the next goal. The engine is running strong, the road ahead is wide open,